Hello students, we welcome you at Arusha Education. In this lecture, we will discuss about determiners in continuation with part 1 of this lecture series. In this lecture, first of all, we will try to find out the proper method with help of which you can choose proper article. So, in this method, we have to follow two steps, first step and second step. In first step, you have to find out the noun, means you have to just find out noun from the sentence. It may be bag, pen, east, first, Narmada, etc. Why? In second step, you have to identify the type of noun. I once again repeat, you have to identify the type of noun. This step is very important because in this step you have to identify the type. So it may be definite, indefinite, or it may be singular and countable or plural and uncountable. Now, if noun is indefinite, we will use a or an as an article. But keep in mind, at this time, noun must be singular and countable. If we will try to understand application of a or an, then we can say that if noun is singular and countable as well as it is indefinite, then we can use a or an as an article. If noun is definite, we will definitely use the as an article. But at this time, noun may be plural and uncountable, or it may be singular and countable. Means, if noun is plural and uncountable, or it is singular and countable, but if it is definite noun, then we will use the as an article. In some cases, we cannot use any article. So, we will learn where we cannot put any article. If noun is plural and uncountable, but at that time it is also indefinite, then we can't use any article. Means, if noun is indefinite as well as it is also plural and uncountable, then we cannot use any article before such type of noun. Now, we will discuss about use of a or an as an article. Use of a or an before the noun as an article depends on sound of pronunciation of noun.